Be turning next left, please.
Okay.
Just to warn you, is a very sharp left turning. Okay, I'm going to stop the car here just to. Can you see how far you are from the curb? You're literally too far. So your positioning should have been more towards the left. Come on, let's do this.
Okay.
And looking where? So
Into
lean
the
your body
seat,
forward and look inside the road you're turning into. But go a bit more closer to the curb.
Yeah?
There, that's it. Good.
A bit of acceleration
Yeah.
because it's off.
So remember mirror signal position. As you're turning, should we go more to the right to go left, or should we go more toward
More towards
the
the left.
which type of road users or the vehicles go more out to go left? When we turn left over here, and again I think with visual aid it might help you. So when we turning, so done your mirror signal, look at if this car over here, the car was slightly more to the right and gradually is going towards more towards the left. What do you think you were doing when you were turning left? Where were you going?
I was leaning towards the center.
You were getting a bit more.
Yeah.
So my question is, what type of vehicles they allow to go more right even though they're turning left?
Bigger cars like buses, lorries, because they need more space to turn in.
Do we need to do that?
No.
So we need to position around half or 1 meter from the curb depending on the width of the road,
Okay.
because your car body also a signal, because you might be signaling left, but if you're going towards the right, people might think, okay, she's signaling left but she's moving towards the right, maybe she want to go right, she's in the wrong. So it's very important. Like here, if you're turning right, would you going to keep your car towards the left to go right, or you're going to go towards the center of the white line to go to the right?
More towards the center
Yeah,
of the white
that's
line.
very important.